All right. So last time we were doing blogs. We were creating, say, we had created a website and we had added blogs into it. So did you try to add blogs into it? Yeah. Hi. Okay. Okay, no problem. But say, I mean, just try whenever you get time because see, when we are doing that topic, at that time, if you practice, then it is easy because what happens that whenever you have any doubts and that particular topic is going on, then we can clear the doubt. See, after if you do it after a long time, then say you will have doubt, you will forget most of the things. So for that reason, and once you practice, you will remember everything. So for that reason, always try to do some practice. I mean, I don't say that you do more practice. Even if one blog, if you are adding for practice, it's okay. Later on, once you get time, you can add more blogs. So okay. So as far as the blog is concerned, do you have any questions into it? Okay, fine, not a problem. Okay, fine, not a problem. So now I'm shared my screen, and what we are going to do is see now, right now, we have created a website, we have added some content. Now, today we will learn about search engine optimization, and today's would be like a theoretical kind of session because I have to show you some slides because it is very important topic. So first we have to learn it, and then again from the next session we will go to the website and we will do search engine optimization on the blogs that we have added to our website. So that is what we are going to do. So let's start with search engine optimization. Okay. I hope you are able to see my screen. Okay, fine. So, okay, fine. So now we are going to do search engine optimization. In this module, what we are going to do is what exactly is search engine optimization and how we can achieve search engine optimization. So first of all, why do we use search engine optimization? So SEO or search engine optimization that is used to get the visibility of our content into search engine. So now whatever blogs we are adding, so we have to make sure that those blogs are coming up in search engines. So for that reason, we implement search engine optimization on our blogs on our website so that it is visible in the search engine. So that is what we are going to do today. So first we will learn about search engine optimization. So how can we get and what are the methods with which we can get our website into search engines. So in this session, we are going to learn what is SEO, what is search engine results page, search engine versus pay per click, then what exactly are search engines, then main components of search engines, then on-page optimization and off-page optimization, and few other strategies that we are going to learn related to search engine optimization. Now, say like search engine is all the efforts that we are trying to get our website to show up or rank in or increase the rank of our website into search engine results page. So search engine results page is nothing but the page which comes up after we search something on Google. So this is the page that is search engine results page. So whenever I search something over here, I will get some results. So this page is called as search engine results page. So now that process is called as search engine optimization. Now we have two options over here. The first one is pay per click. So this is a paid advertising. So pay per click itself means that you have to pay for per click that people are going to come over here. So that is the reason it is called as pay per click ad. So whenever a person will click on this, whatever is the rate of that particular keyword on that particular day, that much amount will get deducted. So you know how share market works, right? So it is having prices of each and every stock has a pricing. So now say those stocks will get updated every second, every minute. But over here, the same way, there is a pricing of each and every keyword in search engine. But they do not get updated daily, so they might get updated weekly or 2 months or 3 months, they might get updated. So now say like if I search about digital marketing, so now for digital marketing over here, say the price might be something around say 5 rupees, 10 rupees. So if I say 5 rupees and then when someone clicks on this link over here which contains digital marketing, then say 5 rupees will get deducted from the advertiser's account. So that is the reason we call it as search in pay per click ads. So that is called as pay per click ads. So, and the next thing over here is search engine optimization. So, SEO is the process where we will be working on our website organically. Organically means there is no, say, payment involved in this. It is absolutely free of cost. But the only thing is that when we say free of cost, it means that at least something is involved, right? So that is, say, your time and efforts. So you have to put your time and efforts so that you can get your website into search engine. So that process is called as search engine optimization. So whenever you go to search engine and you search for something, say like let me open my browser and show you live. I'll go to google.com and over here I will search for say digital marketing. So now over here we can see the results and okay, on this page we are not able to see the results or the paid pay-per-click we are not able to see. Yes, but on this page we are able to see. So over here it is shown as sponsored. You can see even this is sponsored. So these are pay-per-click ads. Say it is containing digital marketing over here. We are searching for digital marketing and it has digital marketing in our title and description. Also, it is having digital marketing over here. So now if the price of digital marketing is 10 rupees or 20 rupees, whatever is the amount, say that much amount, if I click on this link, that much amount will get deducted from this particular website owner. So whoever is advertising or whoever is responsible for making the payment, that much amount will get deducted from that person's account. So basically advertiser's account. So that is pay per click and say at the below we can see over here these are all organic results where these people have taken time and efforts to get their results into search engine optimization. So now, what we are going to see today is organic part over here. So that is search engine optimization we are going to see. And for this, we have a separate module that is called as Google Ads. So in that Google Ads, we will see all different types of ads. This is text ad over here, that is pay-per-click ads, or these are also called as search ads. So why search ads? Because we are searching something and these ads are coming up. So that is the reason it is called as search ads. So let's continue with the PPT over here. So the next thing over here is what are search engines? So first of all, like we need to understand what exactly is a search engine. Because see, for example, if you want to drive a vehicle, then first of all you need to learn how to drive it. After that only you can drive it, right? The same way, if I want to get my website into search engine, then the first thing is that I need to know how does a search engine work and what exactly search engine is and what are the components of search engine and what is their roles in search engine. So search engine is a software system which users can search internet content. So I mean whatever we search in Google or any search engine, we get some desired results. So desired search terms into the search fields, and then search engine will look through its index, that is its database, and it will show us the relevant website. So now whenever I'm searching for something, so now it is showing me some relevant results over here. So these results are say optimized with the help of search engine. So that is what we are talking over here. So search engine is the application or a software or a website that we can say which when we enter our desired keyword, it will provide us with the relevant website related to those keywords. That is search engine. Now, how does a search engine work? So we need to know what are the main components of search engine. So over here we have three components. So the first one is spider. So spider is also called as robot or a bot. So it is called as robot over here. We can see this is a robot and it is also called as bot, BOT. So that is also called. So it has various names and every search engine has a different name for its robots. Say over here we are calling it spider, we are calling it robot. Over here we are also calling it as a bot or a crawler also you can see over here crawler also we can see it. Now Yahoo bot is called as Yahoo Slurp, SLURP, Slurp. So like this there are different names. For Microsoft it is called as Microsoft bot. So these are the components. So first component is spider. So what is the role? So spider is a program that search engine uses to follow throughout the internet, grabbing content from sites and adding it to into search engine database. So now does this spider do? It will travel across the internet and it will collect all the content. So it will collect the content from the websites which were added today. So what about yesterday? So yesterday also the bot did the same thing. So every day bot does the same thing. So whatever content is uploaded every day, the bot will go and collect that content and then it will add it to the search engine database. So that is the function of the spider. So that is how all the search results that we can see over here are coming up over here. So organic results are coming up like that. So it is not that Google added these results over here or the website owners added this results over here. Website owners did SEO on their website and after that Googlebot found our website and say they got all the content from our website and then added it to the search engine database. So that is spider's work. So it will go travel across the internet and collect data. The next process is crawling. So in the crawling process, what happens? Crawling is the process in which spider finds the documents on the web, and when the spider visits the website, it picks up the entire website content stored in the data bank, and it stores all the external and internal links to the website. So now in the crawling process, whatever data is collected from the website, so whatever data, so I mean, it can be text, images, it can be PDF, it can be videos, it can be links to the website, so internal links, external links, so you will get to know what is that. So all the different types of links, it has all the content it will collect and it will bring over here. After bringing the crawling process starts from that all the internal links and external links are collected with respect to the keywords that people are searching. So that is the work of the crawling process. It will collect all the internal link and external links and stores it in the database. So now how does it store? So that comes into the process of indexing. So indexing is the process of adding the web pages into Google search and it records information for easy and quick retrieval upon search query. So it means that it can be retrieved easily, it can be found easily. In that way, the in that procedure or in that manner, all the links are stored in the indexing process of Google's database. Now, say like when we talk about the indexing process, what exactly is indexing process? So indexing process is something like say you might know the library. So in the library what happens? Say in library all the books are arranged in a particular order. Say there are various sections. So in that section all the books are stored. Say like if I talk about the books of science, maths, history, geography, all of them are kept in the separate places. Then computer learning, it can be different. MBA, it can be different. Then some different topics, architecture or say ancient science, ancient science, that all things that we have. So that could be different. So for that reason, why is it added in that way? That is because, say, it can be found easily. Just give me a moment. I will just be back in 2 minutes. Okay, 1 second. Yeah. So, okay, so I'm back. So now, we were talking about the indexing process in the library. So now, say, suppose if all the books are, say, mixed up and added in the library, then will we able to find the book in the library? I mean, yes, we can find it, but maybe it will take a very, very long time. But if it is added in a particular sections, then it is very easy to find. You can directly go to that section and you can find that book. So out of maybe 100 books, you will have to find that book. So that is easy to find it from that particular section. But now, if all the books are mixed up, then you might have to find that the book that you are looking out of maybe thousands or 10 thousands of books in the library, right? So that is the indexing process. The same way with respect to each and every keyword in the world, all the links are arranged in a particular order. See over here, we can see some of the links like say the organic links. We can see this is at the first position, this is at the second position, this is at the third position, this is at the fourth position, this is at the fifth position. So like this, how many results are stored? You can see over here millions of results are stored over here. So in that particular order, say that is when people will search for digital marketing, this link should be at the first position. This should be at the second position because this is the most valuable link. That is the reason it is coming on the first page at the first ranking. Then this is coming at the second ranking. This is coming up at the third ranking. So in a similar way, all the links are stored for each and every keyword that you can think of in Google's database in that particular order so that when people will search for any keyword over here, it can display all the links immediately. So how much time did Google take to display all these links? It just took 0.42 seconds, so not even 1 second. So these millions of results were found in just 0.42 seconds. That was because it was arranged in that particular way that whenever a person is retrieving the content, it is easy to find those links. So that process is the indexing process over here. So this is how the search engine works. But now, say we are talking about something like how say the content that it is collecting, maybe it's a text content or maybe it is collecting images or whatever it is collecting. So if that content whatever it is collecting, then uh, what type of what would be the quality of that content that is taken into effect, then the uniqueness of that content is taken into effect. So uniqueness is because say like Google does not want people to copy the content from other people's website. So for that reason over here, say Google will pick up only the content that is original. So if I have written some content, then only that content will be taken out. But if I say copies them some content from some other people's website, then in that case that content will not be picked up because Google will get to know that okay, this person has copied this content from this particular website. So Google gets to know all these things, even we get to know. So if I want to find out whether it is original or unique, so we will be learning more about this in the tools the of which we will be seeing in coming sessions, that how to find that whether those content is original or not. So for that reason, make sure that you never copy the content from anybody's website. So you have to create your own original content. But the next question might come up that I'm not a content writer, so how will I be able to write the content? So don't worry about that. Say we have tools wherein we can create the content. So when we go after completing this session, in the next session when we do, we will generate the content and then we will add. So say we created the content last time from Chat GPT, right? So that is 100% unique content. So this time I will also show you that the content which we generated from ChatGPT, was that content unique or not? Was it copied from any other website or not? So for that reason, we will have to generate and check that whether that content is original or not. So yes, we will get to see that practically. So that is this process. So now from this, what do we learn? We learn that Spiders collects all the content from the website. In crawling process, all the links are gathered, and in indexing process, all the links are arranged in a particular way so that people can find the links easily. And the content that is collected is only original content is collected. The duplicate content or the copied content from any other website is not taken. So because Google has all the information. So for that reason, we have to create our own content. So this is what we learned that if I want to get my website into search engine, then these are the things that I need to take care, that I need to have my original content. So that is what we have learned over here. Now the next thing is how do we do optimization? How do we do search engine optimization? So when we talk about search engine optimization, there are two methods of optimization. One is on-page optimization and another is on off-page optimization. So what is the difference between the two? See, on-page optimization refers to the factors that have effect on your website or web page listing in the natural search results. So it means that we have to work on our website with respect to all the factors which are mentioned over here. So you can see title tags, description, URL, site navigation, site maps. So all these things we have to work on all these things on our website so that our website will come up into search engine. Now in off-page optimization, it's a different thing. We do not touch our website. Off-page optimization refers to all the measures that can be taken outside of the actual website in order to improve its position in search engine ranking. So that means that in short, what we call this off-page optimization is promoting our websites on various websites like Facebook or say social media websites or say classified websites. We add our content over there and we add the link. So that is all the things. Then we add it in the press release or blog submissions we can provide. So directory submissions are there. So like this, there are various methods of off-page optimization. But let us first study about the on-page optimization. So what is on-page optimization over here? So now to understand all these things, that is title tags and all these things. So let me just explain this in a notepad first. Say what exactly all this is and what we have to do with all these things. See, whenever I want to write a content, first of all, what do we need? We require a topic on which I want to write. Now, once I select the topic, I need to select some important keywords which we feel that people will search these keywords and our content will come up. So that is called as our keywords. So under keywords also we have different types of keywords. The first one is primary keyword. So what is primary keyword? That is the main keyword around which the whole topic is revolving. So that is called as primary keyword. Then we have secondary keywords. So what is secondary keywords? So secondary keywords are all the supporting keywords for the topic. Now say primary keyword, if I'm writing a topic on digital marketing. So in digital marketing can be our main keyword. So in that case, say I can use that keyword, so primary keyword, but secondary keyword, Google says that you should not try to rank your website with just one keyword. Uh, you should use some supporting keywords. So that supporting keywords would be like say secondary keywords related to digital marketing could be like search engine optimization, then search engine marketing, then social media marketing, then YouTube marketing, email marketing, mobile marketing. Like this, these are all secondary keywords that we can use in this blog. So these are secondary keywords that we can use. So this is the secondary keyword that we have to use. So Google says that you have to use secondary keywords also. And then we can use phrases also. Phrases is much easy than using primary and secondary keywords because see if I use digital marketing as a keyword, then it is very difficult to find me. Or say even if I write digital marketing courses, then also it is very difficult to find say a particular institute because that is a generic word. But if I search for say like digital marketing courses in Kharghar, so then there is a competition between only the institutes are within Kharghar, right? So I will have very less competition. But if I say digital marketing courses, then I will be having competition with the whole world. So whenever a person is searching from a particular area, that person will not search for digital marketing course. A person will search for digital marketing courses in a particular area, like digital marketing course in Kharghar, digital marketing courses in Panvel, digital marketing courses in Mumbai, or say not even Mumbai, say they will search for their particular location, like say Malad, Kandivali, Borivali, whatever it is. So that is what they will search. Or else they might search digital marketing courses near me. So near me will provide you a tentative radius and show you all the information. So that is what we have. So now, one second. So yes, that is phrases. So we should always try to use phrases over here because phrases is something which is very easy to rank. Because when people are searching for some phrases like digital marketing courses in Kharghar, then they will find me very easily. And people are also going to search that way only. People are not going to search for digital marketing course. People are going to search for digital marketing course near me or digital marketing courses in a location name, whatever is the location name, that is what people are going to search. So phrases is the most important part that we can use over here. So phrases that we can use. So now over here this is one of the things that we needed to know. So we need a topic, we need keywords, and in those keywords, we can have a primary keyword, which is the main keyword which revolves around the topic. Then some supporting keywords called as secondary keywords and phrases that we can use over here. So now what exactly we have to do over here when we talk about the title tags? So now I will tell you that whatever primary keyword that we have selected for this topic, say like digital marketing, so that digital marketing keyword should come up in the title tags. So now you might ask, where is the title tag? So let me show you in the search engine. So in the search engine, say like if you go over here, whatever you see in the blue color, so over here this is organic results, so whatever you see over here, this is called as title. And in search engine optimization language it is called as meta title. So that is the name. So you can call it as title or meta title. So in this title you need to have your primary keyword. See over here you can see the proof. See, I am searching for digital marketing, and now over here you can see the keyword digital marketing in this particular title. Yes, it is there. So our first criteria is fulfilled, right? So this is done. So I need to use my primary keyword over here in the title tags. Then I need to use it in the description. So what is description? So that description is called as meta description so that you can see below the title. So in the title, in the description also you can see digital marketing is over here. Then over here marketing digital is there. So basically it does not need to be have a single word over here. It can be separate also, but those two words should be there in the content. So that is digital marketing over here. Then again digital marketing over here. then marketing over here, then digital over here. So like this, we can get to see that we have to use our primary keywords in the description also, which is called as meta description. So this fulfills the second criteria. So you pick up any particular result in search engine, it will have the same keyword in the description, title and description, both the places. So that is, we can see over here digital marketing is there, 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 everywhere you can see digital marketing is there, over here also, everywhere. So that fulfills our second criteria. Then the third criteria is the URL. So let us check the URL of these websites. So say this is all organic websites, so we'll open 3 4 websites. So I'll open this link, I'll open this link over here, then I'll open this link over here. Let us see. Then over here also, let us see. So now over here you can see in the URL, you can see digital marketing is there. So without which the website will not come up. If all the criteria are not fulfilled, then your website will not come up. See over here, all the criteria are fulfilled, so that is the reason it is coming up over here. Then the second website over here. So second website also, we can see digital marketing is there in the URL over here. So this is what we are talking about. So digital marketing. Now the third website also, we can see digital marketing is there in the URL. See digital marketing over here. So this also fulfills, and the third, this one also, what is digital marketing. So you can see digital marketing is there in the URL over here. So like this, you pick up any website, you will find all the things which are mentioned. Without that, search engine optimization is not complete and your website will never come up in search engine. So first three criterias are fulfilled: title tags, description and URL. Now comes site navigation. So site navigation means site menu, where you need to have the keyword, and you can have that particular keyword in the link over here. So in the link over here, wherever you see over here digital marketing is there, and that is, this is the site navigation. So what is navigation? So navigation is the process which will take us to some destination. So that is a roadmap. So this is a link which will take us to some place. So that is on this digital marketing page over here. So I'm clicking on this and it will take me to some page. So this is called as site navigation. So that in site navigation also, you need to have your primary keywords. So here also we are finding that digital marketing is there in the link. So that is site navigation. Then sitemap and robot.txt we will do later on, because that's a different thing. We'll start with images. So now we need to have our primary keyword in the images also. So in the images, how can I have? I mean, image is a image, right? So do I need to write the focus keyword over here? No, I don't mean to spoil the image. That is not what we are looking for. But there is a method. Say like, I'll just show you if I have it over here. Okay, there should be something related. Okay, over here, training and images. Okay, yes. So all the blog images, yes. So now these are all images, and over here you can see the name of the image. So in the image you have to put the name of your primary focus keyword. So that is the primary keyword. So if the primary keyword is digital marketing, so then you can name this file as digital marketing. So that is what we can do. And there are some few other things like alternative text, that is all text, that we need to do. So that we will see once we do practically. So because that cannot be explained, so that is some more information about the image that we can add in the website. So that we will do. So now over here you can see each and every image has a particular name. We should not upload any image with some any weird name like, okay, 1.jpg, 2.png, 3.jpg, or abc dot something jpg. Those is not, that is not correct. So we need to have particular names of all the images. So over here you can see AI in marketing, apps of decade, then artificial intelligence AI, award ceremony day, then backlinks, best blogging tips over here. So like this, each and every image has a particular name. do you find any image which does not have a name over here? Every image has a particular and a perfect name with which it represents this image. So the same way in the images, we need to rename the images to our main keyword. So if I'm using digital marketing, say blog, and I want to upload an image, so we can use the keyword digital marketing as the name of the image file. So that is images. Then headings. So heading is something like you go to any website. Say, let me see over here. Say like this is the website over here, and this is the blog written over here. Say like this is the blog. So now over here, whenever you go to any of the blog, you can scroll down and you will see some headings over here. You can see this is one heading, this is two second heading over here, then these are smaller headings over here. So this headings means that you need to have your primary keyword in the headings as well. So over here you can see digital marketing is there in the heading over here. You can see digital marketing is there in the heading over here. So like that you need to have the keyword in your heading. So over here we can see in all the headings we are having digital marketing, but it is not necessary that we need to have it on all the headings. Yes, some of the headings, because we will get to know how much headings, how much keywords we should use in the heading and in the content. So that solves the purpose. So this is the heading part where we need to add the primary keyword into the heading as well. So this completes the heading. Now keyword usage. So now I have selected digital marketing as the keyword. So now in this whole blog, so I say suppose this is my blog, and over here this is long blog over here, right? So the blog is ending over here. So in this blog, say how many times should I use digital marketing? So do I need to use it one time, two times, three times, so that search engine will get to know that this is my primary keyword? No, there is a formula for using primary keyword in the content. So the formula is you have to use the primary keyword, or that is also called as focus key phrase. You need to use it for 2 to 3% of the content, which means that if your content is of 1,000 words, so then 2% of 1,000 is 20 and 3% of 1,000 is 30. So you have to use your primary keyword minimum of 20 times in the content or maximum of 30 times in the content. So in this big content, say like suppose this is of 1,000 characters. So over here I need to use a minimum of 20 times or maximum of 30 times digital marketing keyword in the whole content. So that is what we can see. So let us see over here how many times digital marketing is used, because this is also related to digital marketing, right? So let us find over here digital marketing. I will copy this and I will search over here. So it is used 50 times. Can you see this? It is used for 50 times because it depends on the length of the content. You can see over here everywhere it is highlighted where exactly it is used. So it is used 50 times in this particular paragraph, in this particular blog, depending on the length of the blog. So we should use it 20 times or 30 times. But this is if it is only if it is for 1,000 words. But now what if my blog is of 500 words? So again the same principle it works. So 2% or 3%. So 2% of 500 is how many? 10, and 3% of 500 is 15. So I have to use 15 times or maximum of say minimum of 10 times or maximum of 15 times in my content. So that is the formula over here. So I cannot use it for 100 times or 200 times that okay, Google will get to know that okay, I'm using so much rich content in my blog. No, Google will penalize your website, and your website will never come up in search engine. So you should not over optimize your content with the keywords over here. So this is the formula that we have to implement for the keyword usage in the content. So that is keyword usage. Then comes the keyword density. So keyword density is like, say if I have to use say 20 times or 30 times in the content, then how far or how close I will be using that. So over here you can see it is distributed throughout the content. See over here, you can see it is one over here in this paragraph, one, two in this paragraph, one in this paragraph, two in this paragraph, then one in this paragraph, one in this paragraph, one in this paragraph. So it is distributed throughout the blog. So so if I say that I will create a long paragraph and use all 30 times digital marketing in one paragraph and finish it off, and then the rest of the content, whether it comes up or whether it doesn't come up, should I be bothered? No, this is not correct. If I do that, then say my website will again be penalized for keyword stuffing. That is, you are using the density of the keyword more than what it is required. So you have to distribute your keywords evenly, because we are creating a quality content over here. We are not creating this website for search engines. We are creating this content for humans. We want people to read. I mean, why did we create this website? I mean, did we create it for search engines? I mean, what if search engine finds my website and if it comes up even in the first page, if humans are not reading, then what is the use? So when people will search for our content, at that time, my website should come up. That is the reason we are using the ethical practices in our content. So we have to use and keep our keywords distributed over here. So this is about our primary keyword. Then what about the secondary keyword and phrases? So secondary keyword and phrases also can be distributed the same way in different paragraphs, or not necessarily the same paragraph. If you want to use in the same paragraph, then also it is fine. But so, I mean, you can use it wherever you want. But again, that also the principle remains the same. You need to have those secondary keywords, all secondary keywords distributed from the first paragraph till the last paragraph of the blog. So that is called as keyword density. So how far or how close we are keeping the keywords. So that is keyword density. Then comes mobile SEO. So what is mobile SEO? See, whenever I go to Google over here, say over here, yes, Google. So now when I go to Google over here, I can type text over here, right? So whatever I want to search, I can type over here and I can get results. And the second option to search is that I have a microphone option over here, right? So I can click on this and I can search over here. So now if over here I search for some keyword, and the same keyword I searched with the microphone, do you think that the results will be same? No, the results might not be the same. That is because over here we have a voice schema. Schema means a particular standard to be maintained. So now if I talk about the search engine optimization, so when I'm doing normal search engine optimization, I mean it will optimize only the text content. So whenever a person is typing some text, say my website will come up. But if the same person is searching with voice, then maybe my website might or might not come up. If I have done voice optimization of my website, voice optimization of the content in my website, then only your website will come up. Otherwise, it is not necessary that both the results will be same. So this is two parts in the website. Now there are again two parts when the same thing I am using in a mobile device. So if I type text over here in search engine on a desktop or on my laptop, and the same keyword I'm searching in Google from my mobile device, again there is no necessarily uh, compulsory that my website will come up in search engines. So again the results might differ. And then again the fourth one, the voice search on the mobile device. So nowadays people are using voice search a lot because say on the mobile device it is very easy to search anything rather than typing. It is easy to search with a voice. So we have to make sure that our website comes up when people are searching for the voice in the laptop or on the mobile device also. So, and of course, with the helping of the SEO, we can do it by searching in the text format also. So, when people are searching with text or voice, our website should come up in all the four cases. Whether a person is searching with the text or voice from the laptop version, or the same thing searching text version and voice version from the mobile device, all the four results should come up. So now we have to implement that. So now for that, what do we need to do? So we have done all these things, and my website is coming up with the text, but my website is not coming up with the voice. So for that, what we need to do? So for that, we have certain plugins. So we had seen certain plugins yesterday, last session we had seen. So wherein we got to know that we can install certain plugins, and we can enhance the functionality of the website. So similar way over here for search engine optimization, we have voice schema. So voice schema we need to install. So basically it is a standard. See, whenever you go to buy some electrical item from a shop or a store, say like you want to buy a press, that is iron, iron for ironing the clothes, that iron. Then maybe you want to buy a geyser, or say a water purifier, or maybe some any other device, say a refrigerator you want to buy, you want to buy anything else, say these all things, electrical items. So all of these electrical items will have one sign. Which sign does that have? That we trust, that is ISI mark. So ISI mark is the standard. So if it does not have ISI mark, we do not buy that product because it does not have ISI mark. So of course that was the case in the olden days. So in olden days, ISI was promoted a lot on television and radio. It was promoted. So that was of course maybe around 20-25 years back to say motivate the people to buy the right kind of products, the registered products, because the other assembled products were not registered, and they were say causing harm to the humans. So maybe like say electrical shocks, or say warranty guarantee is not there, and say burning of the appliances. So that for that reason, say it has to go through the stringent quality test. So after that only it can get an ISI mark. So that is ISI mark for the electricals. Now, if we talk about the electronics, so in electronics, you will see the mark of CE. So I'll just show you what is that CE over here. Say you will see this mark everywhere. So you can see, okay, 1 second, let me see, it should be come up in images over here. Yes, you will see this image, this mark over here. Whether you buy a mouse or a laptop or a television or a smartphone or a battery, you buy anything electronic item, you will find this particular logo. If you do not find this particular logo, then you should understand that this is an assembled product and it's a non-standard product. So if you find this logo on the electronic item, then it is safe to buy. So you should buy only the products which are this. So this is the standard for the electronic items. So similar way in search engine optimization for voice schema, we for voice SEO, we have voice schema which we can install a plugin, and we can activate that plugin, which will take care of all the voice searches for our website with our keywords in search engine. So that is the plugin that we need to install. So that is one part of mobile SEO. Now the second part is the fluidity of the website. So how fluid is the website? How responsive is the website? So it means that say if I talk about say fluid called as water. So you say add water in any utensil. Say whether you add it in a cup or a jar or a water bottle or a container, or say any other vessel you add, it will take the shape of that vessel, right? Whether it is a water bottle or say a jar or a bowl, it will take the shape of that particular container. Similar way, our website also has to take the shape of the container. So over here, the container is the devices that we use. So it can be a desktop, it can be a laptop, it can be a smartphone, it can be a smart television. Wherever we open the website, it should fit the screen. Fit the screen means it should not go outside the edges. I should not scroll to left and right. Vertical scrolling is okay because website could be quite long. So for that reason, we should make sure that our website is responsive. So even if I open it in a say desktop or a laptop or a large screen, large TV, so maybe 32-inch TV or maybe 60-inch TV or 80-inch TV, or even if I'm seeing in a projector of a 5 feet screen, so still my website should not break. So what is the best test for that? So the best test, if you want to test if your website is responsive or not. So for that we have a very simple test over here. Say I go to any website over here. Now say I open this website over here and let me go to the home page over here. I mean you can go to any page to test a website. So now but the home page is the best way we can test. So now this is the full screen over here. You can see this image and this content is looking like this. Everything is fine. Now what I'll do is I'll reduce the size of the browser. So you can see this. I've decreased the size of this browser. Let me see if I can still decrease. So yes, I can still decrease the size. So now this is the smallest size of the browser in terms of width I can do. So now you can see there is no horizontal scroll bar, and you can see this image, everything is coming up perfectly over here. So okay, so this is something which is coming up over here, and you can see the content, it is coming up, everything is perfectly coming up within the screen, it is coming up. So that is what we can see over here. So this is responsive. So now if I increase the size of the screen, so say assuming that this is a 7-inch tablet over here. So in a 7-inch tablet also I can see my content is coming up perfectly over here. So you can see this, I scroll the website. So everything is within the content. There is no content which is getting cut that I have to scroll left and right or something like that. You can see everything is visible perfectly. So then maybe I can I can assume that this is a some 10-inch tablet or something like that. So you can see this 10-inch tablet or a 10-inch laptop. You can see it is still seeing perfectly over here. Then maybe I can say slowly and gradually increase the size of the browser. You will see the difference. It will automatically enlarge. You can see this over here. It will automatically enlarge. If I go to any images, you will get to know. Okay, so yes, over here we can see this. So now let me just keep this as well as this text. So now I can slowly and gradually increase. So now you can see the image is increasing in the width. It is automatically increasing, right? See, this is called as responsive. So if you find this option over here in any website, then that website is responsive. So that is the second test over here that we can take, wherein a website should be responsive and it should take the shape of any vessel. So over here from a say small mobile phone till say this is the laptop. So this is 1300 pixels over here. So it is opening in all the sizes and it is opening perfectly without cutting any content. So this website is responsive. And mostly speaking, in today's date, whatever websites we have, 99.99% are responsive because we are using content management system. Unless and until you are coding it manually, you need to add a piece of code so that your website will be responsive. So this is one of the things. So this is for the users. I mean, it is for the easiness of the users that they can browse your website very easily without any strain. without scrolling left and right and all those things. So that is called as responsive. So that is the second part over here of the mobile SEO. So like this, there are many things that we need to consider in all the things that is not just mobile SEO, but in all the things that we have using over here in on-page optimization. So now we are remaining with two things. One is sitemap and one is robot.txt. So what is these two things? So these are the two files which we have to upload on our server. So this is not related to some say our primary keyword or all those things, but these are just two files. Say robot.txt file, we know okay, this is a text file because it says .txt. So the name of this file itself is robot.txt file. So this is a text file that we have to have on our website. We do not have to link this file anywhere in the website, but we just have to keep this in the root server where all the files are kept. So that is in the primary home directory, we can keep this file. And this is the sitemap.xml. So this is a XML file that we have to prepare and add it in our website. So again, this file also we do not have to link it anywhere. Now, what does this two files contain? So let me show you what does these two files contain. So I'll open those two files. So this is robot.txt file over here and XML file. Let me see if I have XML file. Yes, over here I have. So I'll try to open it with a notepad. Okay, yes, it has opened. So this is XML file that can be opened in a notepad because it is only purely text only. So now these two files we need to have. So this is robot.txt file. So the first file is robot.txt file. So now we just now learned that the robots will come to our website and say whatever content we have uploaded, it will take our website content from our website. So now whenever a robot will come, it will first search for the robot.txt file. So say if any visitor is coming to your house, will they enter directly into your house? No, they will, what will they do? First, they will say ring the doorbell, right? So after that only we open the door and they can come inside. So similar way over here also they have to take permission of our website. So that is also automatic. So this robot.txt file will take care of it. So now whenever a bot is coming up, it will search for the doorbell. So the doorbell is robot.txt file. So it will open its own file. So robot will open its own file called as robot.txt file. We cannot rename this file. There is no other name of this file. We have to keep it in the same format robots.txt file. So that is the file name over here that we need to upload. So now when that robot will come on our website, it will search for its file called as robots.txt file. Then it will open that file and then it will read the instructions in that file. So it will start with the first line, user agent star. So star means it applies to all search engine bots in the world who can come on my website and take the content to their search engines. So Google bot will understand that okay, this I can take content from this website because this website is allowing all search engines. So I can take the content. So now what if I want only Google search engine bots to crawl my website? I say that I don't want my website on Yahoo or Bing or DuckDuckGo or any Baidu or any other search engines. I don't want my website to come up. So then what do I do? So I will write over here Google bot. So this is what I need to write over here. It has a particular format of writing. So this is Googlebot. So if I write user agent Googlebot, so when Googlebot will come, it will say that okay, my name is written over here, so I can go. The other option is if star is written, then it can go because it is a freely available and anybody can go. But now if that Microsoft Bing bot is coming up on our website, it will also do the same thing. It will search for the doorbell it will find the robot.txt file, and then it will start to read the first line, and first line it will read that user agent Googlebot. So Big Bot will say that this website is not allowing me to enter the website because my name is not there over here. So it will close this file and go away from my website. So that website will, that Big Bot will not collect any data from my website. So that is what this user agent is. So user agent star means that it applies to all search engines. Now, if you want multiple search engines to crawl the content, you want only selected ones because there are many spam ones also. So over here you can see these are all spam ones. So I have listed down all the names. So I'm not allowing any one of them. You can see disallow over here. So this all search engines I am disallowing over here. So like that, that is optional. Of course, these four lines consist of robot.txt. So then it will then read the next line, that is allow slash. Allow slash means the home directory where all the files of my website is kept. So it will read the files that allow slash. It means that okay, it will understand that okay, I can collect all the files from the website. Then it will read the third line, that is disallow slash wp admin dash slash. So it will say that okay, in this directory I cannot pick up any of the files. So from this directory we have asked Googlebot not to take any file because this is a admin file, admin directory, and this is the directory with which I can log into my website, and I can add my username and password which I have given you. I have given you the logins, right? The same thing, that the same directory slash wp admin. So it's the admin directory where people cannot enter without username and password. So why should we show that URL to the world? So I'm asking search engine bots that do not take any page from this particular directory. So it will follow the rule. Then it will read the fourth line. Sitemap is located at this particular URL. So then what it will do is it will close this file and go to sitemap.xml over here, and it will pick up all the links that we have mentioned over here. So it will take only the links which we have mentioned in this file. So now in this file there are more than 800 links. So now if you have a big website, don't worry. You don't have to create this file or do some coding over here, or you don't need to write anything over here. This file is created automatically. So I will be showing you how to create this file automatically. So this we will do it in the practical session. So we just enter the website URL and press enter, and it will start to create this file. Then we will get the same file name sitemap.xml, and we will download that file and we will upload it on our server. That's it, nothing more than that. So this is the file that we have to upload. So now there is no chance that Googlebot can make any mistake because it will crawl only the content which we have added over here, only the URLs that we have added over here. It will not pick up any other URL. Even if we have added a new blog, it will not pick up that content because it will pick up only the content from the sitemap.xml. So that is what this file is all about. So now when we talk about these two files, what happens is that these two files are the communication files between the website and the search engine bot. So they both have to talk. They need to take permission. Googlebot needs to take permission from the website. So if we don't have these two files on the website, so then it is the same thing like we do not have doors in our house. So if we do not have any doors in our house, then what happens? So the thieves can come inside and they can rob everything from our house, right? So the same way over here also, all the bots will come to our website and collect all the content and go away. So that is the thing. So for that reason, we need to have a communication files. So the first one is the doorbell, that is robot.txt file, which is the most important file, which will provide the instructions what to take, what not to take, and then it will provide the location of the sitemap. And then Googlebot will say that okay, fine, I will go and collect the content only from the this sitemap file. So then it will take the all the content, all the from all the pages which are mentioned in the URL on in the sitemap.xml file. So that is to communication file. Now what if I don't have any one of the file? So even that could be the scenario, right? The first scenario could be that what if we do not have both the files, no communication file is not there, or else at least if one is missing. So what happens if any of these two files is missing? Say suppose we are missing with sitemap.xml. So if we do not have sitemap.xml, then still it is fine because over here we have robot.txt file, because robot.txt file provides information of what are the contents that we do not have to take. So it can take all the content, but we also have the instructions about what are the contents that it cannot take. So it knows that the Google bot will come, open this file, and it will take only the content which is not disallowed. So that it will take that content, and that's okay, that's fine. Now, what if robot.txt file is not there and sitemap is there? So in that case, if Google bot does not find these, say, robot.txt file, then the second thing it will search for is the sitemap. So sitemap it will search and then it will find all the links, and it will take the content only from those links. So in any case, if any one of the file is present, your website is safe. You need to have at least one file in your website. But if you have both of them, then your website is secured. So then Google bot cannot take any other content from your website without your permission. So that is sitemap and robot.txt file. Now we have completed on-page optimization, so you got to know that we have to add our primary keyword in all these places over here so that my website will come up in search engines. Now over here you can see after mobile SEO, I can see there is an arrow mark over here. What is this arrow mark? I mean, I have already completed all these things, but still it is saying this arrow. So this means that your work is not complete. SEO is not one-time job. You need to continuously do it. So say suppose I've completed SEO doing today. It doesn't mean that you still sit on the PC and you still work on SEO. No, it's not like that. Now, once you complete the SEO, you have to come to your website every week or every 10 days or 15 days and check the keywords that you are using, that the keywords which you are using, whether those keywords are having some value today or not. Because I mentioned that all the keywords are having some value like stock market shares. So the same thing applies over here also. So you need to check that what is the value of those keywords which I've used in my website. What is the value of those website today? Whether it has the same value or the value has increased or value has decreased. So if the value is decreased, then say I need to replace those keywords with a new keyword. Because see, if no one is finding my keyword, see, my website might be highly optimized with respect to search engine optimization, but people are not finding my keyword. So if the keyword which I have used, that keyword people are not searching. So if people are not searching with my keyword, means my website will never ever come up in search engine. So for my website to come up, I should know which keywords people will search and which keywords when people will search, my website will come up. So in order to do all the research work, we have to uh, continuously monitor our website. I don't say that you sit every day and monitor your website, but at least once in a week you can monitor your website for the keywords and see if the search volume of those keywords is still the same. So if it is same, then not an issue. Then you can use those keywords and you can just monitor that. So that's absolutely fine. So this is a continuous process and you have to keep on working onto it. But now If you do not work over here, then if you do not continuously monitor your website, then there are possibly good chances that your competitors will be working on their website and they will be uh, optimizing their websites with the new effective keywords. So then your website will go down and their website will come on the top. So that is the only thing. So slowly, all the competitors will overtake your website and your website will keep on going down, and one day your website will be vanished from the search engine. So then what is the use? So you have to continuously monitor your website for the keywords that you are using in your website. So that is on-page optimization. Now let's see what is off-page optimization. So off-page optimization is promoting our websites in all the other places like social media. Say like I have created the website, I have done on-page optimization, I have done keyword research and used the best keywords in my website. But now immediately it will not take into place. So like search engine optimization, it does not take that, okay, I have done all search engine optimization today and tomorrow on my website will be in search engine. Like I told you in the first lecture, in the introduction lecture, that it might take 15 days, it might take 1 month, it might take 3 months, it might take 6 months, it might take 8 months also, depending on how good research and analysis you have done with respect to search engine optimization. So it will take time. But I don't have time. I cannot wait for 6 months, 8 months for my business to flourish, that people will see my website and then they will come to my website and then I will start to make do business. I mean, I cannot wait for that, right? So for that, I will be promoting my website. So what I will do is I will take up some content from my website, or I will write something about my website or the products and services, and then I will provide the link of my website. So providing that link is very important. If you do not provide the link of your website, then it means that it is not search engine off-page optimization. You have to have your links placed. See, I will just show you an example in my Facebook page. So I will just log into my Facebook account over here and I will show you an example. Okay, okay, choose a way to confirm. Okay, enter the login 6-digit code. Okay, let me see if I've received it. Okay, all right, so it is logged in. So now this is my Facebook page over here. So now you can see this over here. So now you can see over here, I have posted this content over here. So I posted this image over here, right? And after that, I have posted some content, that excellent opportunity to kickstart your career in digital marketing, and all these things I have added over here, and some hashtags over here. And then you can see I have added my website URL. See, of course, when I'm doing off-page SEO, it is not that I will do off-page SEO of my website only. I will add all my other social media links also. So even if people want to connect with me on any other website, then it is good. So they can connect me over there, because there could be some people that they might be using only Instagram, some people might be using only Facebook, some people might be using only YouTube. So if they find that, okay, I'm there on YouTube, then that person can connect with me on YouTube. So now the most important thing is that I'm promoting my website. So over here I promoted my courses over here, added some hashtags, and then over here I have added my website URL. So this is called as an off-page SEO. So this same content I can post it on various places, or else maybe instead, so over here I can even add a small paragraph, say depending on the space available, so I can add it. Now say I can write a blog on my website. I can talk something about the digital marketing course offered by Helpopedia EduTech, and then I can provide the link of my website. So that is one of the best thing that I can do. So even that works. The most important thing is that your website URL should come up. Whether you write the text or you don't write the text, whether you add image or you don't add the image, that's absolutely fine. But your website URL or the URL, whichever URL of your website should be there wherever you are promoting the content. If you are not adding a link to your website, then it is not off-page SEO. So when we talk about off-page SEO, your website URL should be there. So now we can add our website in directories. There are various directories where we can create our profile. Say you must be knowing Just Dial. So like Just Dial, there are various other directories like Yellow Pages, Just Dial is there. Then India Mart is there, Trade India is there, Exporters India is there. So like this, India Mart is there. So like this, there are various directories. So you can create a profile over there. You can add images, you can add text, you can write about us content, you can add website URL, email address, phone number, everything you can add over there so that people can get to see your website. So now if I am adding my website, then people will come from those links and they will click over there and say my website will have more visitors. So that is called as backlink building. So I have to build backlinks for my website on various other websites. So now if I have hundreds of links posted on various places like directories and social media and classified websites, so what happens is that there would be hundreds of links every day. Google will automatically think that say this there are so many people talking about this website. It means that this website is very good website. So automatically the ranking of my website will increase. So off-page SEO is the only method with which you can make your content go viral. So viral in the sense not the viral YouTube videos or the WhatsApp content which is viral only for 2 3 days. I'm not talking about that kind of content viral. I'm talking about the viral content which cannot be stopped, which will never ever stop in a lifetime. People will see that content till the time I will say not remove that content. So till that time you will keep on getting traffic. So off-page SEO is one of the best things because say today I might have 100 links, then tomorrow I might have 500 links, then 1000 links, then 50,000, then 5 lakhs, 5 crore links. So if there are so many links on the internet talking about my website, then Google will think that there are so many people talking about this website. So this website must be very important. So automatically the ranking of my website will increase. So if my website is at fourth position, it will come back to say it will come to third position, second position, or first position. So that is what off-page optimization is, and this will make our content go viral. Because if say we have say 1,000 link posted every single month, say maybe over a period of time we might have 12,000 links in say 1 year, or maybe 5,000 links in 1 year, then 10,000 links in 1 year, and say there will be so many links that people from all these websites they are searching for something, and they will find our website, and yes, they will click on it and come to our website. So that is the best thing that we can do. So, and this will not stop. This will start as a chain reaction. It is like a fusion which cannot be stopped. So that is going content virally. But people, you see, I mean, people do not understand this concept because it takes a lot of time, because you need to go to hundreds of websites, you need to create an account over there to add content. So, but of course, this all things are free of cost, but people do not want to take any trouble. That is the reason people are avoiding this. But office optimization is the most happening sector and the most happening module in digital marketing, with which you can definitely get your content to uh, seen by the world by going viral. So that is off-page SEO over here. Then see over here we have blogs and articles. So I can write some blogs about my website. I can write topics about my website, and I can provide some say credentials over there, and I can write some blogs, and add my say website URL and Facebook URL. See, I'd copied all those URLs, right? So say my Facebook URL was there, YouTube was there, LinkedIn was there. So like that, I need to have my website URL also. So this is what I can do in the article. So I can write some blogs on my website and then provide the links at the bottom of the blog. So like I will be writing two, three interesting paragraphs on the top, and then I will say to read more, click on this link to continue. So then people will click, then my website will open, and over there the same blog will be seen. Then they can continue reading it because they like that blog so much. They came on our website by clicking on the link. They will now search for other blogs on our website, right? So we will get more traffic. So I mean there are various benefits of doing off-page SEO. So that is writing blogs and articles on our website. Then social bookmarking, that is social networking, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, everywhere, Instagram, we can post our content and we can add our links. So of course in Instagram we cannot add links because links are not activated in Instagram, but at least we can add the link in the bio. So from where people can click and go. Other option is that I can add multiple images and I can say swipe up to visit. So that option I can do. So that is also organically on Instagram. So that can be done. So like that, various places on social media networks, then free classifieds, we know OLX and Quicker, but say over there also we can add. And the other option is the world's biggest classified website, that is Craigslist.org. So Craigslist.org is a very big website worldwide, and it has say almost all the cities. So if you open that website, say like if you type Craigslist.org, over here, it will automatically open mumbai.craigslist.org. So like that, you can post your content in free classified websites where millions of people are reading those classified every single day. So that is one of the things that you can do. And if you want to say promote your content worldwide, so that is one of the best platform wherein you can connect the people of worldwide, and they will read your ad and they will connect with you. So that is one of the best thing that you can do. Then say like we have press release submission. So there are various press releases going on. Say free press release websites. Paid ones are also available. So yes, I mean you can choose the free ones at the initial stage, and you can promote your content. Press release is very important because especially for the business people, press release is very important in knowing about the companies and stocks and everything. I mean that is what people are going to see. And press release means that is something more, a new announcement from the company that what declaration they have made and say what are the profit things, what are the new plans and all those things over here. So that is the press release that people talk about, and we can also go through those press releases. We can add those press releases for our websites, and then the backlinks. So backlinks is the we have to add more and more backlinks. So if we get to have sorry, so if we have say thousands and thousands of links posted on various websites, then definitely the value of our website will increase over a period of time, and Google will also think that there are so many people talking about this website. So let's increase the rank of this website. So Google will automatically increase the rank of our website in search engine. So if my website was coming up on the second page or third page, it will now come up on the first page of Google. And if it is slowly and steadily, if this continues, then if my website is the bottom of the screen, then it will come on the top result. It might also come to the first result. But yes, to get your website into first result through without any efforts, then you need to uh, post at least say 50,000 links of your website globally. So that you can do. So of course you can practice those things. For online and off-page SEO, so mostly off-page SEO, then it is the best thing. So if you are posting any link anywhere, it means you know how to do off-page SEO. So that's one of the thing that we can do over here. So yes, I mean in the next session we will do all these things practically. So like adding the titles and descriptions and URLs and all those things. So see, I had told you that you have to add blogs, right? So why did I tell you? Because from the next session we are going to implement all these things over here. So now we just have to transform and see with the eyes of search engine optimization. Till now, we have just added the blogs blindly just by generating content. I added the blogs, and that's it. My task was completed. But now, if I have blogs, then I can optimize those blogs for search engine. So that is what we are going to see practically in the next session. I know this could be a little, say, complicated, but it is not. Say, once we start the uh, practical implementation of search engine optimization, you will start to enjoy it. So that is the things that we are going to do from the next session. So that's it from my end for today. So if you have any questions, you can let me know for today. Okay. So if you get time, please add at least 2 to 3 blogs so that you can practice it and you because now we'll be working on search engine optimization on page. So we might have minimum 2 lectures for on page optimization because that is the most important part of digital marketing. And this is something which we will use throughout the course till the last module. Say that we'll be doing is YouTube marketing. So till that time we'll be using this because wherever you find a search bar, we have to implement search engine optimization. So whether it is a website or a blog or a Facebook account or a YouTube video, we have to use search engine optimization everywhere. So this is the foundation. So if your foundation is good, then you can optimize any piece of content given in a notepad also. So that is very easy for you. So you need to do at least say if you want to master search engine optimization, then minimum 20 blogs are required. You need to optimize 20 blogs and resolve all the errors which we are going to resolve in the next session. So that's it for today, and see you in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Hmm.